Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon. I've got a really nice Frankia Platin here to show you. This is a vehicle for two people. It's the version that Carthago calls the liner for two, Hymer calls the EuraMobil, and let's have a look inside. This is quite outstanding. Right, so 5.5 ton basis gives over a ton of payload, and so it's a rear lounge. There you go, nice rear lounge at the back. Sorry, banged the thing too much there. And at the front we've got already arranged in the sleeping position, which was I was able to do. Set it up for you. We've got the beds down here, and as you can see, in order to do this, one puts the drivers and passengers chairs down, and making space for the bed to come down. So a couple of steps up to the bed, and you've got this enormous bed at the front, so you're either driving or sleeping, or you're sleeping or you're driving. Most people don't do both at the same time, and if you do, it'd be a good time to stop, although you probably end up stopping by natural means anyway if you do. Anyway, they've got a window in the roof, and you've got a bit of storage on the side for the sort of stuff you might take to bed with you, although it would have been good if they'd put a thing for charging your mobile phones somewhere there. I do notice, however, that there is at the back a plug there, so you can use that. So you've got this like bedside table up there at the front. Incidentally, this is clearly only a cloth, some bit of a curtain, I think one could say, but there is a proper blind at the front, drops down electronically, and that will keep the light out should you want to do so during the night. And there's blinds for the windows on either side as well. Down here, so that this will slide in and out. So we've got storage in these steps, which I shall show you. There, folded the step up, and this will go back into there, clicks into place. Here we've got the boiler there for the Aldi system, bit of storage above, and here we've got a pull out storage and a drawer here. Very large shower, nicely lit up, Truma Aventa air conditioning above. Here we've got the door and toilet, and of course we can close the door on this side as well. There's the door, which will slide across. So just to demonstrate the shower for you, there's me in the shower, getting dry, doing myself, getting clean. So that's the word I want to say. You don't get dry in the shower, you get dry after the shower, and you get washed in the shower. I point this one out because there's a number of vans with towel racks in the shower, which I haven't quite worked out the reason for yet. Note there's heating in the toilet. Now, it's a nice double floor. So down here, it's a flat floor. They've put carpets on the floor, and the point of that is to stop the floor getting damaged by people coming in here with hobnailed boots. Lovely big lounge here at the back, and beyond that we've got view to the whatever's going on at the back, and also got a space here for keeping things. But this huge with electricity, huge area at the back here. And also I like these backlit cabinets to keep, I don't know, what do you keep them there, glasses or something, maybe not, I don't know, whatever you keep them, things like that. Storage all the way around at the back, and it's really deep as well. So from that point of view, it's you can carry quite a lot of stuff, and carry quite a lot of stuff in the garage as well. There's the view down the vehicle, and isn't that nice? Sitting here waiting for this rain to stop for a couple of weeks. So anyway, I might have some information here for you. There you go. What else has it got? This is just what they're adding to for the including in the price. 360-degree camera system. Caravan Salon 2012. I saw a 360-degree camera system, which was then it was a prototype. I thought was fantastic, and I waited for it for 9 months to become available. So it's got a Wi-Fi router, LED front lights, and gas filter, outside shower. That's all right for the dog. And right, so here 203 centimeters internal height. Got here storage, bottles and things, fridge, freezer, and a grill. In here we've got a large wardrobe, and you can see there we've got the glycol for the Alde heating system. Kitchen, 2 burners. Some people may think that's not enough. I think it's enough, but they're well spaced out. You could put more in if one wanted to do so. We could even put electric, because this comes with a 300 ampere hour lithium ferrous phosphate battery, but one can add to it. I mean, you could put lots of stuff. A vehicle I saw yesterday was a camper van on a Ford Transit here, 1,400 ampere hours of battery power inside it, in a 6-meter camper van. And nice drawers. Oh, windows got blackout and mosquito net. Let's go out. Oh, I like this. So hang your stuff when you come in. For hangers, my Hymer, I wanted to put the hanger on the door, and it turned out to be not possible. Can't remember the reason for it now. Can't be due to the weight. No, that was it. It was due to the weight. For some reason, to drill into it wouldn't have worked. Can't remember the reason exactly though. Anyway, never mind. Talk about that again and something else. Window in the door, I think, is a really useful feature. Up here we can see the panels. We've got there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it might be better having just 1, and that is possible. 6, there's another one. Let's have a look in the garage. So with the layout, with the rear lounge, it does tend not to give you as much space as it would be if there were a different layout at the back, such as, for example, the German layout. So that the German layout will give you more space in the garage with a vehicle of this size. But all the same, it's not too bad, is it? Enormous rear opening. So it says the technical packet would allow self-sufficient traveling. Yeah, so it depends obviously how much you're using it, and a heated double floor as well. There you go. It's a Platin i7900 from Frankia, a very attractive vehicle. Thanks for watching.